Guys, Nasdaq has gone mad. Oh. Can you see what I'm saying, guys? Wow. This is my phase one account, my phase one BOGO account, and look at what's going on. I'm almost crossing my challenge like right before you. This is 5350. At 5400, I would have crossed this challenge because of this madness Nasdaq is exhibiting right now. Then look at the second trade I took, Euro USD, also flying to the sky. Wow, this is very, very unbelievable. Can't wait for this to close, man. I took one shady OJPY trade to share, but I will tell you guys why I took this trade later on. But these are my main drivers, man. Look at Euro USD, look at Nasdaq. About to cross my challenge for me. 5350 now. So I'll just keep on watching, monitoring. As soon as I cross the challenge, I'll be very, very happy, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back again, and I'm still waiting for my equity to cross 400 so I can close all these trades and cross my challenge. And that's where we are still at. Now is at 5397. You can see it. Let me show you the trades that are open. This is Nasdaq, still on the rise, and this is Euro USD. USD is actually the one holding this trade. It could just rise a bit, I would cross 400. And I have one trade Euro JPY. This is also one of the trades that are holding me down. But let's see, I should be able to do this. So I would start by closing Euro JPY, I think, because yeah, we just crossed 400, so I'll close Euro JPY first. Then I'll close Euro USD. Let's see, 403, 404. So I'll close the two Euro USD, but I'll just close everything out. 402, 402, yeah, we're done. Phase one funded next challenge crossed. See you guys later. So I would come up with the full gist later. Alright, alright, guys. This is my phase one challenge account, the BOGO account that I was given, and as you can see, my balance is 5402, which is exactly what I closed in MetaTrader 4 some MetaTrader 5 some minutes ago. And I have traded this account for 7 days, guys. Is that not impressive? So I made 8% in 7 days. Now you can see what it says here, next phase. Congratulations, phase one is now complete. Click next phase to proceed to phase two. Then look at the daily loss limit, ongoing, minimum trading days passed, profit target, profit target passed. Yeah, so I'll click on next phase now. It may take some time to load. It says true here, I don't know what that means. I just got an email that congratulations on completing your phase one challenge. Okay, and here it says profit target reached. Okay, it says profit target reached. Hooray, please check your account section for phase two account. Wow. Alright, let's see. Let me go to my account. This P1. Okay, this is my 10K account, and you can see that it's almost at break even again. And yes, this is my phase two account. Isn't that nice, guys?
Hi guys, I'm really happy about the way last week went. Recall on Tuesday, my first video I created, I was almost 1% down on my funded account and 1% down on my BOGO account, my challenge account. Yeah, and that was a phase one account and my funded account as well. Yeah, and I recalled saying something about steadying the ship in that video, and it was very necessary because once you start seeing reds on your account, it can throw you into an emotional or psychological trauma, and then you just start making series of errors. So it's very, very necessary to be able to relax and continue go on from there. And that's exactly what I did because I took two trades on Monday. I think two trades that took me down to draw down because those two trades were losses. And Tuesday was US election. I didn't really want to trade on Tuesday because normally you would not know what to expect in terms of volatility. So I actually did not trade, even though I saw some good setups that would have been profitable for me, but I didn't trade on Tuesday, and that was how that day went. So as at Wednesday morning, I was all my mind was um how I was going to get back into profits. And also the for me, I remember in my last video I told you that I probably will not trade the old 10K account so that it doesn't because of the kind of losses I started having since last week. So I don't lose the account basically. Yeah, so on Wednesday I didn't trade the account. I traded only my funded account and my BOGO account, the phase one challenge account, 5K. So I traded only those two. And I got two arrow wins, like 2% on the BOGO account and 1% on my funded account. And that brought me immediately out of drawdown to a certain amount in profits. And okay, it was 3% win, 3 hour win on Wednesday. Yeah, so it brought me out of drawdown into profit. And the other account, the 10K account, was still in drawdown. So it was still fine in drawdown. If I had taken that trade there, I would have been 3% up on that account as well. Yeah, but it's what it is. I would have been 3 hour up on that account. So that was how I came out of drawdown on the BOGO account and on my funded account as at Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I saw another very reasonable trade. I got a 6 hour win on Thursday, and that's the video you see on my intro. I got a 6 hour win, 2 hour on Euro USD, and 4 good hour on Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq has really been one of my good friends too. Yeah, so it really boosted my account. It brought me up to about on my funded account brought me up to I think I got $230 after that trade on Thursday, and $230 is I think 4 point something percent. Then I crossed my phase one BOGO account. I crossed it that day. 8% was what I got on Thursday. So you can see. Then on Friday, it's like the losing streak started again because I lost another 2 hour on Friday. So I just relaxed, and that was after I crossed my phase one BOGO account. So the other ones I received the phase two account that same day, and so I needed to take a trade so that day will count. And then I took one on Euro JPY. That Euro JPY was just I don't even know. I wasn't supposed to take that trade at all, but I took a shot and the trade ended up in loss. That's how I got my first 1 hour loss on Friday. And then in a bit to recover, normally I take two trades a day, so it wasn't no pressure. So I took another trade on Euro USD, and that was a loss too. So I basically got the direction wrong for Euro JPY and Euro USD, and I just hand stopped. That was Friday. So of course, when the Euro USD hit loss, there was an opportunity to go in the new direction because the first direction was a fake direction market showed us and it took our money. Then when it started going in the right direction, normally I would have wanted to. In fact, I was tempted to go in the sell direction, but I've taken two losses already. So I just hand stopped, and that was a Friday. When you know you can do this thing another week and be profitable, then there's no point rushing. In this business, there's no rush. If you rush, you would probably end up with more losses. So, but if I had taken that trade in a new direction for Euro USD, I would have ended up in profit, maybe 1 hour to recover one of those losses on Friday. So that was how the remainder of my week went. It was quite eventful, and before I forget, it was still a profitable week. Yeah, so even though I started the week with two losses, managing to come back, rebound with 2 hour win on Wednesday and 6 hour win on Thursday. That's 8 hour in 2 days after losing 2 hour on Monday. So 8 hour minus 2 hour on Monday is 6 hour profit, and the minus 2 hour again on Friday is 4 hour profit. So 4 hour profits in a week is very very good. If you are trading a 100K account, for instance, that's depends on the risk you take, sure, but that could be $4,000 or $2,000 that week. So that's it. My week was good, and I'm hoping that the upcoming week will be better. Yeah, so for now I still have I have 5 wins in 5 weeks. Yeah, so the last 5 weeks have been profitable for me. That's a good thing to be happy about. Yeah, I passed my phase one BOGO challenge. I have my phase two BOGO challenge now. which I expect that I'm going to pass this week. Yeah, for now it's 2% down. Yeah, you see it when I show you shortly. 2% down, but I hope that I'm going to be able to bring it back up. Yeah. All right, I think that's all for now. Let me go into my charts and show you trades I took on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, and also show you my FundedNext account. All right. All right, guys. So on Wednesday, I didn't trade on Tuesday because of the US election, but on Wednesday I took a couple of trades, one on gold and the other on pound yen. Yeah, so let me just quickly dive into the gold. Currently, this is the gold chart, and what I see. Let me just run to the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, this is 4 hours time frame, and as you can see from the broader view, I had this ascending channel, and of course everyone knows gold has been bullish for a long time. So we had this ascending channel which guided price for a very very long time, and right at this level we could see that the move was getting weak because we had this very long bearish move to the downside, and we had consolidation, and so I expected that the next move should be down at least to this channel support, and that was exactly what happened. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that there was this big push below this resistance level, sorry, this range, and of course this support level. The range was guided by these two yellow lines which I have here, support and resistance. And so with this big bullish push to this downside, it was very clear that this bearish move should continue, and that was one of the reasons why I was interested in taking this trade. And so when you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you would find out that this is a big push to the downside on the 1 hour. So this obviously was retracement, and on this level you can see there are a couple of rejections. This is the first one, showing that there are sellers on this level who want to defend their positions. Then also you will see another red candle here, still showing the presence of sell pressure, and then it moved down a bit again below this support level, and then when it came back again I was ready for the trade. No matter, I wanted to take it here just to be on the aggressive side, but I just calmed down a bit. I wanted to see some confirmation, which is what I got. And then on this place, after this small red candle here was where I entered the trade. Then put my resistance above, sorry, my stop loss above the resistance, and then you can see what happened. The trade played out, and for me, it looked like a trade that was a cheat because I was able to take only 1 to 2 from this trade when I could have taken a juicy 1 to 4, even 1 to 5, even 1 to 6, 1 to 7. But that's how the market works. If I had taken a 1 to 4 from the trade, I still would have been happy. If I had had the feeling that this trade would be able to run as much down as it, definitely I would have removed my TP. I would have opened the TP and just watch it, and maybe after some of these retracement move, I would have closed it, and that would have been a very good at least 1 to 5. Yeah, no matter how bad it was. And if I had left it to the close of the day, which I normally do, for most of my trades, that would have been like a 1 to 6 or a 1 to 6 points. And normally I leave my close to the close of the day, but my trades to the close of the day. But this one, I don't know, maybe because it's just gold and we don't want to experience a stop hunt or something. So, and that's why I quickly went into the trade and came out. So that was how this Wednesday went for me for gold. It was a 2 hour win. So let me take this back. All right, then I took pound JPY too. You guys, if you watch my video on Tuesday, you would remember, was it Tuesday or Wednesday? You remember that I said something about this, and I placed this R2 because I wasn't sure of the move at that point in time. I placed this one, and I think I placed this one to in case the price, because I wanted to see price come back to this channel support. So I placed the second R2, just indicating that if it comes here, I will be buying. Yeah, but the market does what it does. It didn't come back here, and finally, this was the trade. This was the one I now took. And I saw some consolidations around this level. And after a couple of bullish candles, I just had to go into the trade. Let me see if I can pick one of these drawing tools. Okay, so after this green candle here, yeah, so we have a couple of green candles, and you can see that the lines, the candles are they are forming higher lows. The higher lows, yeah, higher lows, because this low here, this low is higher than this low down here. So they are forming higher lows, and that was one of the reasons why I took the trade. And as you can see, it went in my direction. I was able to come out with. I don't think this trade was up to 1 to 2. I don't think it was up to. This was I came out somewhere around here. Yeah, so it was 1 to 1 point something, and that was why I said that I got on Wednesday. I got 3 hour. Yeah, 2 full hour from gold and 1 hour plus from pound yen. So it was a profitable day. Then on Thursday, um, I took Nasdaq. Yeah, I was actually tracking Nasdaq. I've been tracking Nasdaq since the start of the week. In fact, remember on Friday I took Nasdaq to like hurriedly closed. I think this is Monday. Okay, this is it. I hurriedly closed, just went up a bit. So I've been tracking Nasdaq for a bullish move, and as at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that formed all this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yes, I formed all this. So I drew this channel and I was tracking the price. And then when it got to this level, this is Thursday morning. So I was monitoring it, and when I saw some couple of I just had the belief that it was going to go up. One, it was on channel support and it was a bullish market, so I was prepared for it. And I went in and I put my stop loss somewhere around these lows, because I expect that the kind of bullish trend that Nasdaq had, I wasn't expecting it to come back to these lows. So I put my stop loss there, and then look at what I got. I got 4 hours on this trade because I let it run till almost the end of the day. And this was the day that there was FOMC too. So during when FOMC started drawing near around 8 p.m., that was when I closed the trade. And you can see that after FOMC, it still went up a bit. So that was how I was able to come out with a 4 hour win on this trade. And if I left it till the close of the day, definitely would have been maybe 4 point something or 5. Yeah, but 4 hours is very good for this trade. So that's it. Then for Euro USD as well, that same day I was tracking gold, but and gold had a better setup than Euro USD. If I had taken gold, that would have been a massive 4 hour win there as well. So I would have gotten 6 hour win on Nasdaq and 4 hour win on gold, making 10 hours. That would have been mad, man. Yeah, but I took Euro USD instead, and I was able to come out with this was my target. Yeah, but it didn't get there, so I closed at somewhere around here. Yeah, which was around 1 to 2. So I got like 2 hour on this trade as well. And what did I see on Euro USD? Just price in this channel after this big push, we definitely expect a retracement. And so I was interested in riding the retracement for that day. And that was the reason why I took this trade. Yeah, so as you can see, price starts to retrace and gives us entry, and that was how I got this 1 to 2 hour on this trade. Yeah, so that was for Thursday. Then on that same Thursday night, yeah, this is Euro JPY that I wasn't supposed to have taken, but I don't know, for some reason I went into the daily time frame. I was trying to make a daily um analysis and trade for this pair. And if you look at this daily time frame, you can easily see the reason why I did that. The market was on a channel, and then this is channel support, and it formed a series of bullish candles on this channel support. And so I wanted to trade the daily. So I took this trade, this particular one here. Let me shift. I think I will shift this. So yeah, so I took this first one here, and as you can see, it went against me almost immediately. Yeah, it should have been a very good, and you can see this bullish candle. So there were signs that this should continue the move, but as usual, the market does what it does, and it took me out of this trade. So that was all. Nothing. I didn't say anything from 15 minutes. I just wanted to trade daily that for this, and I've not done that in a long time. So I don't know why I decided to do this. To do this on that Thursday, Friday, but that's it. So this was one of the losses I took on Friday, and then I took another loss on Euro USD as well. Um, for Euro USD, I still expect that this retracement would at least come towards these highs, because this level, because we have support and resistance here, a couple of touches. So I expect that it will get here, and that was the only reason why I was interested in buying this pair on Friday. Of course, it shows a bearish move, but that was the only reason. And there were some signs, there were some signals that the bullish move was about to continue, but market does what it does. This was when I took on Thursday, and I wanted to follow through on Friday. You can see some bullish patterns, and then it broke it, and I took a loss. And if I had not taken the Euro JPY trade earlier that day, definitely I would have entered again here for a sell, because this was very clear. Because after the break of this channel, then we just expect the sell to continue. And if I had entered, it would have been something around here, because I was watching this candle. I watched this candle form. Not even I watched it form. My stop loss would have been somewhere around here. Yeah, because I would have wanted to cover this supply or demand level. I don't know what they call it. Yeah, so, and definitely I'm sure I'd have closed with a 1 to 2 for that day. Anyway, that was how it went last week. I think that's all I have for now. Let me quickly run into my FundedNext account so you can see how it's doing. All right, guys. So this is my funded account. This is my FundedNext account, and you can see that I still have three accounts here. This is my live account, my funded account with $172 in profit right now. And this is the step two, the phase two challenge. Remember, as of last week, I was showing you the phase one challenge where I had which I had passed on Thursday, 8% profit there. So I received my phase two challenge, and currently it's in drawdown. This is about 2% drawdown. Yeah, a little more than 2% drawdown. And definitely I'll be seeing how I can raise this back up on that's this week. I will entered. Then this is the 10K old account. Remember, this is the BOGO account phase two challenge. This is the 10K old account, and it was in at break even on Thursday. Now it's in 2% drawdown again. Like, what's going on? Well, I hope that um my trading this week will be more of wins, so that these three accounts can really move high, move up. Okay, so let me quickly go into my live account. I trade the same pairs on this account, so I'll just be reviewing one. What you see here will be most likely be what you see on these other ones. So I'll go into this now. All right, so this is my dashboard, and yeah, I have $172 profits, 8 trading days. My next payout will be 19th of November, which I'm seriously looking forward to. It's 9 days from now. Yeah, and daily loss limit 200, which I'm definitely above. I'm above the 400 as well. So that's it for this part of the account. Let me show you my detailed analysis. This is I don't know if there's anything of note here for you to see, but this is my trading history, and these are the trades I just talked about. The Nasdaq trade I took that gave me 4 hour, see $89. The gold, the pound yen, and euro JPY. These are the two losses I took on Friday. Yeah, but prior to then, you see it was wins. Okay, another important thing I like to show is my equity curve, and this is my equity curve. I started at 5,000 on 20th of October, went up to 100, came down again below 5,000, and now you can see. I remember saying that I really wanted to steady the ship and move this back to the upside, and that was what happened. So yeah, your equity curve should move in waves like this. Shows that you know what you're doing, because you can't avoid losses in forex trading. All right, so that's all I have for now. Let's see how this week will be. I am really keen on moving this up a bit more. I may actually anyway. My payout is on Thursday of upper week, so I still have the whole of this week to trade. So I will be seeing how I can move this account to above $250. If I move it to somewhere below or around $300, I'll be very happy, and I'll probably hands off at that point and wait for payouts. Yeah, and this is if I move it to $300, that will be 6% growth, and did I say six? Yeah, 6% growth on this account, and that's really massive, because if you have a very large account, if you have a 50K account, for instance, that would be $3,000. That's money, man. 3 weeks in 3 weeks. Yeah. So, and if you have a 100K account, that would be $6,000, a massive $6,000. Yeah, so I'm doing good. I'm doing good. All right, so if you want to keep on following my journey, please subscribe, like. It's very important for you to like the video. A lot of you do not do that. Please like and share with your friends. All right, bye.